Wow!
Yeah, we gotta stop.
Oh yeah! Look at that thing!
Are we gonna be able to stop and get a picture?
We're gonna get up. We gotta get over the hill. Look at that! Oh! Get up over this hill would be good. Oh wow!
Brad, go, Brad, go, Brad, go! We got one, guys! Yay!
Maybe we can get up here and get video.
A small tornado on the ground.
Yeah! There it is.
Turn off your lights.
Yeah. There it is.
Oh my god. Come on, camera.
A good road. Go up.
Yeah.
Go. Get up there. Let's go, Jody.
I mean, if we can stay with this thing.
Oh my god, it's big.
God, if it was only daylight.
I know. That thing is big.
That would be a very photogenic tornado in daylight.
Holy cow, that is beautiful. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Yeah. Oh, look at that thing. That is awesome. Yes.
Are we going to be able to stop or are we going to keep going?
I don't know. We'll see what we can do here.
Oh, look it. Keep going, Brad.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we got. It's yeah, nice tornado on the ground. Right up here, look it. Yes, it is. Good Lord. Holy. Brad, get up there.
Right here?
Hold on, careful. Careful. Whoa!
What?
Big tornado.
Where is it?
Right in front of us.
See it. All we need is
We want to continue north or go east? Probably north, huh?
Yeah, it's going to plow right in front of us. There's a highway right up here. Wow!
We're getting into some hard.
Oh, look it! This road's going to end, Brad. You're going to run into a highway. We can sit up here and film as she goes. Get up over. Jeez. Look it. Oh. Whoa. Let's get over. We can get good footage. Maybe we can move it. Here it is. On the ground. Stop.
Stop.
There it is. Ooh, there it is.
Oh my
Yes,
God.
it is.
What way is that moving? Turn off the road?
That thing's wrapped around the vessel.
Yeah, it is.
I'm not sure, but we might have some big power lines on the ground up there.
Oh.
Yeah, look at that.
That's a big tornado.
We ain't going no more further down this road, I have a feeling. Look off in front of me. See it?
Another little tornado.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Needle.
Like anybody's really home. I wonder
Well, their power's out.
I wonder if we should go up and check.
Yeah. But put your brights on because of power lines.
Yeah, they are.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, good Lord. Oh, God.
Oh my God.
Where this came from, but it wasn't anywhere near here. Was for sale. I guess it's sold. This is awful.
Yeah, I don't. Sorry, your mic. I know that it was blowing off.
All these
I
turkeys.
on that website, I watched it tonight.
Yeah.
The windows up. I mean, the sound of that, there was gas blowing off of that one. It was so loud.
All dead turkeys. Most of them are dead. Some of them are in shock. Mostly most of them are dead.
Three going down.